Guys, so today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna attempt to pull some wire in this pump out so we can get it ready for the electrician. So I'm trying to get all these boxes in. I'm gonna try to run the wires also, and then we'll see what happens from here. But yeah, it's looking good in the back, guys. See the house? I was cutting the lawn today with a regular lawnmower. But yeah, let's get to it, guys. So I got this box right here. Okay, so on these boxes, if you can see, there's a little notch. So this is where you should like flush it to the 2x4, because then the drywall will flush against this part. So it was sticking out a little right here like this. All right, so let me bring it up right here. Get it in. I got this box in. Then I'm gonna do some outlet boxes also for my water heater. Not my pressure tank and my water softener. All right. All right, guys. So as you can see, got one right here, and one more there, and my switch. And then I got my lights in the ceiling. All right. Now I'm gonna try to drill the holes for the wires, and I'm gonna pull my wires. All right, guys. All right, guys, so I got my switches to turn the lights on the inside and on the outside. I got it going all the way up here, as you can see, and then I run it all the way across, over, and I bring it down on this side to this outlet, and then this one goes all the way up and across, coming down. So I got all my wires run. Just gonna try to clean up in here a little for making it look a little bit more better for when the electrician comes. But let me take you outside and show you what lights on the door looking like. All right, see, I got this light. Let me close the door. All right, guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. It's looking real pretty. Yep. And I'm not 100% sure if I did this right, but I did the one on the house and it worked. So this might done right also, but we'll see when the electrician comes here. Hey, guys. But yeah, it's looking good so far. So I'm gonna start cleaning up in the pump house a little, organizing, and then see what else I can get into. All right. All right, guys. Got everything tucked in one corner. Now the pump house is looking all clean. It's good. And I put some insulation in this wall also. I need some more for that one and for the rest. So I might just count how many I think I'm gonna need. And I know how many bags, because I know it's like 8 per bags. So I'll just count it and I'll see how much I'm gonna need, and then we'll go from there. All right. But it's looking good so far. What you think, guys? A lot of space for storage. I'm gonna put some shelving here. After I finish with the drywall and I get my water filtration system and everything in here, that's when I'm gonna start putting the shelving in and start storing stuff. But before, I need the space, Got my electrical work again, guys. All right. It's looking good. All right, guys. So I got my electrician to come out and check everything and see if everything was working correctly. So he put our boxes in. And look, guys, we got lights. Yup. We're making moves, guys. We're making moves. I got my switch right here. I just got a double. I had this double switch left over, so I just put it in. But yeah, guys, it's looking like we're cooking. Yeah, don't mind the mess. It's just a storage area for now too, also. But yeah, we got lights, guys. Yeah. The little things, guys. It's just the little things. I got outlets now. I can officially get my water softener and my water filtration system since I already got these in. So it's gonna be way easier now. All right.
Hi guys. We've been doing yard work all day. And then we started to burn, and as you can see, it's overcast. I'm gonna get a soaker if you see the sky. Yeah, over there is kind of clear, but so far so good. Let's go see the fire. All right, let's go for a walk. Trying to look at my handy dandy work. You know how I do. Did I do a good job? Did I do a good job?
Did a good job, you know.
Oh, the fire's getting up there. Gotta keep an eye on it. Oh, look at the cow. Our neighbor's animals. He has beautiful, I think they're red heifers. Are they? Red? Yeah. I think they are. But anyway. See, there was a lot of stuff in between these two trees, and we just cleared that out, and I was able to cut in between it. So now you can actually see the house, you can see the pump house, and yeah. Yeah, looking good. Rain down on me. Rain. Okay, I can't sing. Put it in this pile. See, I wasn't even able to cut around it because of all the trash. So I'm glad it's burning. But I did a lot. Can I close the gate? Yeah, I want. Can't wait for us to get our gate opener. That way I'll show you the animals. Oh, it's smelling now. They're looking at me. They're like, who's this girl? Who's this girl? See, I cut all over here. I want to be able to go in between the trees, but we have a lot. It's a little bit at a time. We can't do too much all at once. This is the first time I see all of them in the front. Usually they're towards the back of the property. Heard that? Yeah. able to cut all the way down here. He's mooing at me. Moo. Yeah, they kind of look like red heifers. He has a lot of cows. Wow. Alright. Alright, that fire is getting crazy up here. But it's about to rain, so this is good exercise. I'll be doing a lot of exercise up and down these roads. Soon we'll have gravel, but still have so much to do. Yeah, baby. Oof. Smoke. We haven't had lunch yet. Haven't had breakfast. We haven't had breakfast. I made you breakfast. You didn't eat it.
Why?
Because we had people out here earlier. So, but you can't say. I even brought it for you. What?
Lightning.
Lightning? Oh. Yep. It's burning. It's burning. It's burning. So we have our old from the city lawnmower, and that's how we're able to now cut in between these trees because I can't get the tractor in between them. So there's only so much I could do with the tractor, so that's why you may see here and there, you may see like patches. I can't get to it, so there's nothing I can do. I just have to do what I can do until we can get this grass way we want to. Then we'll buy a zero turn and I'll have fun cutting the grass. But it's really relaxing, guys. You should try it. I don't know, maybe for me only. But yeah, I heard that thing popping. It's popping. I think he heard me. Looking like a homestead, guys. It's looking like a homestead. Soon we'll get our dogs. Yes. Can't wait for that. And our animals. And our garden. Everything takes time, but if you go back to our you heard that? If you go back to our first video, you'll see what this property actually looked like when we first got here. It wasn't like this. So, I mean, you can take a little and make it into much, you know, if you put your hands to it. If you work together, you know, you have to be able to work together as a team. If it's family or if it's partnership, people coming together to buy property, different people coming together to buy property, or if it's, you have to be able to get along, you have to be able to work together, else it won't happen. Just won't happen, you know. Teamwork make the dream work. Yes, I'm just happy to see this pile going down. I've been wanting it to go down for a while. Yeah. So now, look, It's raining. Uh-oh. 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 See, now the cows are moving inward. Huh? Are you gonna just leave it? All right. This is live and direct for y'all. Okay, the rain is coming down. We have to rush inside now. Okay, okay, okay. All the grasshoppers. Jeez. I don't like those. That rain is cold. I wonder if there's gonna be hail. Cause those raindrops are cold. You feel it?
Look guys, our light came on our pump house. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Can you see it? We got lights over there now. It's looking good. It's kind of raining down now, so I gotta get out this rain. And I got my lights in the front. I'll show you what it looks like tonight also when I'm working on this project. So there's a lot still coming, but let me get out of this rain, guys. And look down our driveway on our property. We just cut the lawn. It's looking real pretty, guys. All right, guys. This is our sensor lights on the outside. I got one more over there. Well, you kind of see a glare in the back, but this is what it's looking like. When it gets dark, I'll show you more. Then our pump house with the light also. But so far it's looking good. The rest hasn't come on yet, so I'm waiting. Yeah.